Hi everyone, I'm going to just jump right into this TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. First thing I have to show you is this contour kit. It's a powder contour kit in the color 10 to Deep by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this was $18.99 at both TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And that kit also comes in the cream contour kit. Right here, I'm showing you the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, and this is in the color 6.0. And it also comes in colors below the 6.0, and this was $6.99 also at both TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Right here I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and I bought this in two separate colors, and this was $6.99 at both TJ Maxx and Marshalls. First color I have is Orchid, and the second color I have is Bronzed. And these also come in liquid lipsticks. Next, I'm going to show you this MAC Mineralize eyeshadow. I found this quad at Marshalls. This was $9.99 and it has 4 shimmer colors. And then I have this Bite Beauty lipstick. It's in the color Enoki. It was $6.99 at Marshalls. And then next I found a lip cream by Too Faced. I found this at Marshalls. It's in the color Naughty Nude, and this was $6.99 also. And next I found this Too Faced Glitter Bomb eyeshadow palette for $14.99 at Marshalls. Very pretty palette, and it has a mirror on top of the palette also. Next, I found this Stila eyeshadow. It's in the color white. I don't know the actual color because it doesn't say it, but this is a white shimmer eyeshadow. And then I bought another one. It's a gray shimmer eyeshadow. And these both were $6.99 at TJ Maxx. Next, I found this Kat Von D. It has 3 like mini lipsticks with matching mini nail polishes, and I found this at TJ Maxx for $9.99. And right here I have a Kat Von D eyeshadow primer, and this was $9.99 at both TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and it's just a nude color eyeshadow primer. I found this Glam Glow at Marshalls for $34.99, and for those of you that are familiar with the Glam Glow at Sephora, it's about $54.99 there. So $34.99 was a pretty good price. And I found this Clinique Pep Start, and this was on clearance for $18 at Marshalls. And this completes my TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. So hurry and get yours, guys, while these products are still available. Please hit that like, subscribe, and share button, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.